Armin Meiwes is a German former computer repair technician who achieved international notoriety for killing and eating a voluntary victim in 2001, whom he had found via the internet. After Meiwes and the victim jointly attempted to eat the victim's severed penis, Meiwes killed his victim and proceeded to eat a large amount of his flesh. He was arrested in December 2002. In January 2004, Meiwes was convicted of manslaughter and sentenced to 8 years and 6 months in prison. In a retrial in May 2006, he was convicted of murder and sentenced to life imprisonment. Because of his acts, Meiwes is also known as the Rotenburg Cannibal or der Metzgermeister. Armin Meiwes was born on 1 December 1961, the third and youngest son of Waltraud Meiwes. He had 2 older half-brothers from his father's previous relationship with another woman. His father abandoned Armin when he was 8, leaving him to be raised by his mother. During sessions with police experts, Meiwes had explained that his desire for cannibalism had developed during his adolescent years. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.